Hello guys, today I'm
Today
going to
I'm
tell you
going to
about
present
Power BI, right?
like tell you how we gonna use Power BI to upskill ourselves, right? So to start with Power BI, so this is something that you'll get on opening the file. So these are called reports. This is something where you'll see your reports, whatever you're gonna prepare, you'll find that. So this is the tab where you'll have your data. You can see your data here, right? And you can see the type of data and the format and everything, right? And this is something which explains the relationship between the two tables, right? So you must have heard about key and foreign key. Primary key is something which we use to map two different tables, right? So let's suppose there is a table, and we are storing the their marks, right? So roll number is something which can be used as the primary key, right? But the primary key has few limitations, right? Primary key cannot be left null, right? And that should be unique. So let's suppose there are two classes, right? Let's suppose standard one and standard two, right? So it may happen that you can have the same roll number in class 1 and class 2, right? But let's take the example of admission. So here our primary key cannot be used as primary key, but we can consider the admission number of the student as our prime. So so these are the tabs, right? And so what we do here, we when we start preparing our Power BI report, first of all, we have a different like too many options to pull our data from, right? You can also paste a data into a blank table. You can practice on the simple data sets which Power BI provides. You can import the data from your Excel sheet, and then you can import the data from SQL Server. And if you click get data from the another source, you'll find a lot many options here. So if you will see there, so from if I click the option tab, then you'll have these things where you can get your data from. And if you click the database, then probably you'll have all these options, right? So you'll have many options to pull your data. So that's it for today. We'll continue uh, this learning series in our other videos. Thank you.